In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download undownloadable PDF files from Google Drive. First, an important note before we begin. When a file in Google Drive is marked as undownloadable, that restriction is set by the file's owner to protect their content. Using hacks, workarounds, or third-party tools to bypass those controls can violate terms of service, infringe on someone's rights, and even put your account and device at risk. I won't demonstrate any method that circumvents protections. Instead, I'll show you the proper, safe way to get the file you need when you have permission and how to request access when you don't. Start by opening the PDF in Google Drive and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts for work and personal use. If you can only view the file and don't see a download icon, that means the owner has disabled downloading. Look for a request access option. Click it, add a short polite note explaining why you need a downloadable copy, and submit your request. The owner will get an email and can approve or decline. If you do have permission and the owner allows downloads, you'll see a download button in the preview toolbar. Click it to save a copy. If the button still isn't there but you have legitimate access, ask the owner to enable the setting that allows viewers to download, print, and copy. They can find this in the file's share settings under the gear icon, then toggle the option on. Sometimes the restriction comes from a shared drive or folder policy, so the owner or admin may need to adjust it there. If you own the file yourself and want others to download it, open the file, click Share, choose the gear icon, and turn on the option that lets viewers download, print, and copy. Then share the link or invite specific people by email with the right permission level. For offline access that respects permissions, you can enable offline mode in Google Drive settings in Chrome. Once it's turned on, right-click the file and choose Make Available Offline. This works only if you already have access. A quick security tip: avoid installing browser extensions or visiting websites that promise to unlock downloads. These can compromise your account, expose confidential data, or inject malware. The safest path is always to work with the owner, request what you need, and follow the sharing rules. That way, you get the file reliably and everyone's content stays protected.